Hey friends, if you wish to fix ACPI BIOS error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the first solution is to update your BIOS. Now to update the BIOS, you will have to go to the manufacturer's website. Let's say it's ASUS. I'll search for ASUS BIOS update and then I'll go to the ASUS download center. Okay, now it will ask for the model number. In my case, it's FA507RE. Okay, now I'll go to this option and then I'll go to drivers and tools. This is because I have an ASUS computer. If you have a Dell computer, go to Dell's website. If you have an HP computer, go to the HP website. Okay, now you can scroll down and you will find a list of all the drivers here. On the next page, you can see BIOS and firmware. Click on it. It will need a while to upload, and then you can scroll down and download the BIOS and finally click on open to install it on your computer. Was this helpful? If not, then you can try another thing, that is to update the drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, install all the optional updates. Then you can perform an SFC scan, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a system restore. And how would you perform that? So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to the recovery window. Click on open system restore. If a restore point is not set, then you will have to configure it first by turning on system protection and then clicking on create, and then you can create a restore point. I've named it test. You can name it anything that you can remember. Okay, wait a while till the restore point is created, but you have to create this earlier, not at the time of restoring your system. So we'll click on next, we'll choose a go to the restore point, we'll click on next once again, then on finish, and then finally on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.